Hi guys! Are you looking for the perfect mechanical switches? So let's quickly break down the basic.
Switches sounds. Liner switches, smooth and silent, great for fast typing and gaming. Tactile has a gentle bump for feedback without the noise, ideal for office work. Clicky. Clicky switches tactile bump with an audible click for classic typewriter feel. So mga keyboard warriors, ano ang para sa'yo? Tri-liner for speed or tactile for feedback? Or clicky for the satisfying click sounds? Finding your perfect switch can transform your typing experience, kaya mamili ka na! Charot!